Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to use NordVPN for Netflix. So for example, if Netflix is blocked or something in your country, or you're having trouble with connection and you still want to watch some Netflix and you are using NordVPN or want to use NordVPN with this service, here's how. So firstly guys, of course you'll have to download this VPN. You want to use the download section, as you can see, NordVPN/download. You can get it for Windows. You can get it as a Chrome extension. So in my case, I have just easily installed this Chrome extension right here. So as you can see guys, the VPN is very easy to use. So you just go to the servers, you choose the server that you wish to use. So as far as I can see, there are no free servers available. So, okay, that's a bummer, but that's fine. So just choose the server, then press on it, or just press on Quick Connect. It will find a quickest server that is closest to you with the best connection, and you will be automatically connected. Or of course you can choose a country by yourself manually, and after that just go to Netflix, open up your favorite movie or a TV show. I'm not going to open it on this video for the privacy purposes, of course, and as you can see, the VPN will be connected and you will be able to watch Netflix no problem by using this NordVPN. And also guys, before I finish the video, we have a exclusive, amazing affiliate link in the video description that you can find that will allow you to have some very good discounts and an easy way to start with NordVPN. So if you wish to do that, please navigate to the video description. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.